Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. Sometimes I do a drink and I want to show you a couple of drinks that I do at home. The first one is a very classic Kir. Kir, K-I-R, is named after a former mayor of Dijon, which is a town in Burgundy in France, where they do a lot of syrup. So you use creme de cassis, which is a blackcurrant syrup. See, I have here maybe a tablespoon at the most, and with a dry white wine on top of it. How about that much? And this is what you call a Kir. I have to say that my wife always put a couple of pieces of ice in it, and it's okay. Maybe not classic, but it's okay. So to you. The second one, when I came to this country, I was introduced to Manhattan. I love Manhattan too, but I end up doing what I call a reverse Manhattan. Manhattan is about 2/3 whiskey, and the whiskey is usually an alcohol. It's an alcohol made of grain, whether it's barley, or rye, or corn, and so forth. And 2/3 and a third red vermouth. So I do kind of the reverse with a lot of ice. So here is my reverse Manhattan. A lot of ice in there, a piece of lime, this way, in there, and then red vermouth. And as you can see, I'm very generous with red vermouth. Red vermouth is basically the whole drink. You can put more, you can less, you can, doing the way you like. And I have a beautiful whiskey here, bourbon, so I have maybe one and a half tablespoon of it. Is the mixture. So this is my reverse Manhattan. And then finally, one thing we do in France when you're cold, winter, if you have a cold, the thing you do what we call a grog, G-R-O-G, and it is with rum, dark rum, and all that. And if you take an aspirin and your grog, you go to bed, you feel like $1 million the day after. So first you start with lemon. I would have good a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice in there, and you can put the lemon. I would want to put probably a good one, probably 2 tablespoons of sugar, like a quarter of a cup of a dark rum, and I have a very good dark rum here. You know that you mix a little bit, and a good cup and a half of boiling water. That's it. You have your cold, you drink this, go to bed, you feel like $1 million the week after. I hope you enjoy that. Happy cooking and happy drinking.